Paid media has changed and macroeconomics have shifted. Consumer demand is getting choppier, budgets are getting tighter, and people want provable ROI. They don't just want reach. Your ad costs, they're rising, and conversion rates, they're going down. And the same offer that used to convert no longer works. You see, the market is saturated, and consumers are behaving much differently than they used to. Those old tactics simply don't work anymore. You keep seeing all these bots and all these spam leads. And sure, yes, the algorithms got smarter, but the targeting has gotten a lot worse, unless you're willing to literally lit money on fire in order to train it. Your agency says, give it more time, spend more money. But the reality is the math just simply is not mathing anymore. Here's the fix and how our growth audit actually works. We're going to review your tracking. We're going to review your audiences. We're going to review your landing page, your offer, your creative, and your copy. And then we're going to hand you a 30-day plan, what to cut, what to keep, and what to test next. There's no fluff. There's no upsell script. We do all of this for free, but you have to be investing at least $20,000 a month across your marketing campaigns, as we invest a ton of time upfront to make sure that we're a right fit for you and you're a right fit for us. Even if you are under $20,000, we will make case-by-case exceptions. So click the link below, book your free discovery call with the Elevarus team.